In this video, I'll go over example ACD math problems that deal with simplifying rational expressions. The key to solving rational expressions is finding the common denominator. So here, right now, we have x plus y and x minus y. They really don't have anything in common, so what we're going to do is just multiply them together. X plus y times x minus y. That's going to be our common denominator. All right, so our first one, denominator is going to be x plus y times x minus y. What we need to add to the top is what we added to the bottom. We added x minus y. We already had an x plus y. So on the top we have x times x minus y. And the other one, same denominator, x plus y times x minus y. We had a y already, and we need to add the x plus y. Alright, so now we have these both with common denominators. And like any other fraction with common denominators, we can add the numerators together. So I'm going to multiply it out. X times x is x squared. X times negative y is negative xy. And then on the second fraction, y times x is xy. And then y times y is y squared. And that's over the x plus y, x minus y. You'll see here that these negative xy plus xy add up to 0. So they're gone. So I can do x squared plus y squared over x plus y, x minus y. And I can multiply this denominator out. We get x squared, x times x times negative y is negative xy, and y times x is xy, and y times negative y is negative y squared. Again, this adds up to 0, so those go away. So our numerator is x squared plus y squared, and on the bottom, x squared minus y squared. Alright, this is going to give us answer E. So this one says for all positive x, which of the following is equal to 2 plus 3 over x plus 2 minus 6 over 2x plus 4. So again, our key is to find the common denominator. What I want to do here, the second one here, I want to reduce that as far as I can. I can factor out a 2. Factor out a 2, it gives me 2 times the quantity x plus 2. So we can see here we basically have a 1 here for the denominator, x plus 2, and a 2 times x plus 2. Alright, so our common denominator, since the middle one already has an x plus 2, we can make the common denominator just 2 times x plus 2. So the first has 2, if the denominator is 2 times x plus 2. Okay, you see we added both of these to the denominator, so we got to add them to the top too. Alright, so our numerator is 2 times x plus 2 over 2 times x plus 2. The next one, we had 3x on top. And the denominator is 2 times x plus 2. We already had an x plus 2, so we added a 2 to the bottom, so we need to add it to the top. Again, here we had a 6. And we already had 2 times x plus 2, so that stays the same. So we don't need to change the numerator at all. Alright, once you have a common denominator, we just add the numerators together. So let's take the first one, it's going to be 2 times x plus 2, so that's going to be 4x plus 8. Second one, 3x times 2 is going to be 6x. And then our third one will stay the same. Alright, so now we can add the numerators together. 4x plus 8 plus 6x minus 6 all over 2 times x plus 2. We can simplify 4x and 6x is 10x. 8 and minus 6 is positive 2. and then 2 times x plus 2 in the denominator. Alright, so now we see if we can factor out the numerator at all. We see there's a 2 in common. So I can factor out a 2. It's going to be 5x plus 1. And then 2 times x plus 2 on the bottom. So we have 2 on top and bottom. That's going to cancel out to 1 and leave it with 5x plus 1 over x plus 2. Okay, from there we cannot reduce any farther, so we are done. So that's going to match up with answer choice A. So I hope this video helped you understand how to simplify rational expressions. Thanks.